This is a 1922 Ford Model T touring car. Notice how the windshield is divided there. Of course, the color is black. I think Ford began building these Model Ts in 1908. They had a long history of experience building the cars, and they kept on going down in price with the economies of mass production. Notice the horn there, the brass. This isn't far removed from the brass era cars. Wooden spoke wheels. And there's the top folded in place. It'll be quite a chore to raise that top. Car is equipped with turn signals. Now that had to be a recent addition. There you see the Ford's Model T transmission. I think it probably took some getting used to propel the car. You had to get used to that, what pedals did what. But this car essentially was made for do-it-yourselfers. And when things broke, you can go to the welding shop and get it taken care of right there on the spot. The car certainly was high off the ground, which was an important advantage back in the day because the roads were pretty poor. There's a 4-cylinder engine, 177 cubic inches, about 20 horsepower. But again, it didn't really require an awful lot. The speeds were low, and most people didn't travel long distances.